So the harvester will go down the field harvesting the crops, and when it gets full, it will dump the grain into the cart, like this. The tractor's gonna pull off because his cart's full, and then in will come another tractor. Here's Rhett's toy harvester and his tractor pulling a grain cart. So today we thought it would be fun for Rhett to be a grain cart. And we're gonna pour what into your tractor, Rhett? What's your grain cart gonna carry? Corn, that's right. We made our very own unloader. This part right here on the tractor, this part right here on the combine is called the unloader. And it will carry the grain up into the chute, and the chute will put it into the cart. Are you ready to use our unloader?
Yeah!
Let's go do it. Are you ready for some corn in your grain cart? Here we go. Let's unload it into your grain cart from the combine. You're doing a good job keeping up with the harvester. Are you ready for your next load? Circle back around. We gotta fill up this grain cart. Circle back around. Let's go. All right, I think one more load and your cart will be full. And you can take it to the barn. Take off. One more trip around. You and the combine did so much work today. You have a grain cart full of corn. You have a big harvest, Rhett. Is that a lot of hard work? I know, look at all that corn you harvested. That was a lot of hard work. All right, you gotta go take it to the barn. Thank you for all your hard work today. See you later. Now let's take a closer look at how a combine works. Combines have row dividers that pick up stalks of corn as they move through the field. The ears of corn will break away from the stalk, and the stalk is dropped to the ground. Inside the combine, a machine will separate the kernels from the cob. We hope you enjoyed learning about harvesters today. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.